The name of my self-composed poem is O Bird. O bird, O lovely little bird, how sweet and sonorous thy voice! Thy master have a perfect choice. Thy cage is big with two cradles to swing, three big bowels to feed with a great ring. O bird, O lovely little bird, how fortunate to have such a caring Lord. Sometimes he allows you with long cord, so happy you within your golden cage. Don't you have any real reason to rage? O bird, O lovely little bird, I am now blessed with quarantine to stay safe from COVID-19. Will you please tell a truth honestly? Don't you feel what I feel silently? Thank you.